This is my first time replacing this Hepa air filter since I've had the vehicle. So let's get to it. What we're going to go ahead and do first is we're going to go ahead and pop up the trunk, and then we're going to go ahead and remove our plastic interior. Alright, here we are. We're going to go ahead and remove this plastic cover here. When you do that, just pry it out. Just a few clips. Be careful, try not to damage all the fluids. Alright, next, we're going to go ahead and remove this trunk tub just so we can get more room in there, because I do want to take a look inside the interior as well, make sure it's cleaned out, and possibly air hose the interior in here just to clear off all the debris and whatnot. There are 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But before we remove that, we want to make sure we take this piece off. So let's get to it. Be careful with the tabs. Alright, so there's 3 tabs up top. Pry it out, and then pull out. Unclip this. So we just unclip this, and we're removing this piece of foam. So now that this is removed, we can go ahead and continue along with removing the 4 bolts that holds the whole piece. We'll go ahead and place this to the side. Now that these 4 bolts are removed, we can go ahead and remove our front tub. We're supposed to have a clip here. I don't have a clip, so I don't need to remove that, which is fine. But if you did, make sure you remove this clip as well. Let's take this tub out gently. I'll hold on to this and then pull right out. Just like that. Place this aside. We should be able to just grab it and just pull right out. Pulled out these are carbon filters. So we just pulled out the carbon filters. Very, very dirty. As you can see. There's a tab here and there's a tab here. So what you can do is just pry it out like this and just pull right out. And then you should be able to remove it. Alright, so what I have here is the filters, the carbon filters, as well as the Hepa filters. Now that those two are placed in, we're gonna go ahead and put our other filters on. Air filter flow. This side up. This side up. Air filter flow. This side up. So make sure you placed it to the correct orientation. So this is the airflow. This side needs to be up to the top. So I need to face it this way so that the arrows are pointing towards the top of the cover and the airflow is facing down. Now that this is placed in, we'll go ahead and put our plastic cover back on, secure it with the Torx. Alright guys, I went ahead and placed the plastic cover, secure our screws, and I wiped off the excessive dirty material that was on the plastic as well as the interior of it. So I cleaned it thoroughly with some disinfected wipes. I also cleaned out the radiator area and I air hosed throughout the whole interior. Now that the front tub is in, we'll go ahead and secure it back down with the bolts that came. Now that the bolts are secured in place, two here and two here, we can go ahead and attach our cable right back to the interior lighting of the front release button. Now that the tub is just secured in, place my mat back in. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this piece off, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and really appreciate it. Make sure to follow for more content. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, heart this video, or share this video. Greatly appreciated. More content to come. Tessie 978. Much love.